Livestock markets were well into the green ahead of Tuesday's supply-demand report. AgDay's Michelle Rook takes a deeper dive into the numbers in Markets Now.
A higher close in the grains on Tuesday after the WASD. Darren Frye is back with analysis. And Darren, corn, a bit of a shock there to see a 200 million bushel ending stocks decrease by USDA. Do you think that the market actually handled it well? I thought maybe it was a little muted.
Yeah, I think the rally was somewhat tempered because of soybeans. Soybeans didn't change in this report. And of course, we know South American weather's been going well. And I think that weighed on corn some. But corn had a nice finish, up 5.5 to 7 cents, depending on the contract. And of course, that came because the 200 million bushel reduction in our carryout.
We also saw the world ending stocks on corn dropped 7.7 million metric tons. So when you look at the balance sheet, is this enough to get corn over these resistance areas on the charts?
I think so. 450.5 has been that area we need to clear. And we didn't do that yesterday, but I think we can do that by the end of the week. I want to see follow through. And we certainly have the fundamental firepower to do that with this report. Any carry out here in the low 1.7s after having this record large crop is amazing. It speaks to how high demand is. And we did see on the report as well, they upped Brazil's demand 2 million metric tons, Ukraine's demand 400,000 metric tons, and then a spattering of another 300,000 throughout the world. And so demand is higher, and that is why we're seeing our balance sheet get a little bit tighter. If they come with a lower yield in January, that would kind of be the frosting on the cake to put us, under 1.7, maybe approaching even low 1.6s, and that just does not justify lower prices.
Did soybeans just follow corn because really the balance sheet stayed pretty much the same?
Yeah, I think so. I think wheat, was a little bit friendly on the report. Corn was the leader. Wheat tried to follow along. Beans did follow along. But hey, unless we have a weather problem in South America, we're going to have a hard time getting beans above $10 and certainly above $10.50. And so that's kind of the wet blanket on the complex for now.
All right. Thanks for joining us, Darren Frye, Water Street Solutions. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.